Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, love is in the air. February's collection came early, y'all. January 20th launch for the brand new February collection. So let's get into all of the magic. First off, happy Love Month, y'all. I cannot believe the Valentine's magic is already here, but Madam Glam has outdone themselves. Last year, though they had a gorgeous Valentine's collection, we didn't get a special box. Are you kidding me? This box is so darling. I can't get over all of the little hearts, and they've been stippled. So they have the most tiny little dots that ombre into the color of the box. I just can't get over, y'all, I am so down for themed boxes. Are you guys with me? I would love a monthly themed box. This is out of control, just so beautiful. And also this has things a little bit different. So the vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil free and HEMA free is usually along the side, but they've put it on the back of the box with a special QR code. The moment you scan that, it shows you different recycling depots, where you can recycle the nail polish, the boxes, so much information. So I just love how environmentally conscious they are. So without further ado, we are going to get into February's collection, Amour Tints. Oh my gosh, you guys are my amours, my love. I can't get over, first of all, the name, 10 out of 10 Madam Glam. You really had a girl, the detective glasses were going. And when I first read this, I was thinking, is it jelly tints? What is it? But this is more dynamic and amazing than I could ever think. Also, Madam Glam sent out their swatch sticks. These are not available on their website. This is only for their influencers and their team that goes live. So I was very, very excited to use these for this special swatching, especially because I get to showcase this full collection. But as I was saying, in my wildest dreams, I maybe thought jellies or things like that, but I didn't realize we were going to get a little bit of everything that we love from Madam Glam. So Madam Glam is very, very popular for their cream formula. So that is included in here. There is 4 cream formulas, but there's 3 diamond formulas. This Dearest is one of them. The diamond formula literally goes on like butter. I literally wait, as soon as we show Hearts Glow, I will actually swatch that live for you so you can see how buttery it is, but it is out of control. So there's 3 diamond formulas and then 1 glitter. So this Glaze d'Amour, this is also a diamond, and I can't get over this crushed up chrome. It is just so dynamic. For anyone that's not aware, amour means love. And let me tell you, there's been a love affair going with Madam Glam for quite some time. So the fact that they've come out with literally this love bundle of some of the most dynamic pinks and red tints, I am just losing it. This Hearts Glow, I keep wanting to say hearts, it's Heart Glow. I am madly in love. I need to do all of the kisses, the lips, all of the things. So we are going to be doing all sorts of gorgeous Valentine's nail dits, individual looks, and full sets with these beautiful gels. But do you see how flawless? The opacity is out of control. Now this is a very thin coat I used, but you can't see through that, girl. So I am ridiculously happy with this formula, this diamond baby. But for all swatch purposes, I did do 2 thin coats. That's the coverage I prefer always, is 2 thin coats, because I just find that you get the most salon quality that way. Some of their polishes are so opaque that you only need 1, But even in that case, I usually go like super thin and still do 2. Now, Love Struck, y'all, this is their only glitter formula. And I did do 3 thin coats to get that full opacity. But I am so madly in love, and you can tell the difference between this glitter formula and the diamond. So I am screaming. This collection is one for the books, y'all. If any of these colors speak to your heart, I would run on over to Madam Glam before they sell out. And now you can get the February collection early, so there's nothing stopping you. Now that we have finished the diamond polishes and the glitter, we are moving on to the cream formula, which is a huge favorite of mine. I love how smooth it glides on, and the darling soft pink of Love's Veil. This is by far one of my favorites that was swatched today, alongside those beautiful diamond babies. But these cream colors are so beautiful. This berry blush, by the way, reminds me of Candy Pop. It is so darling, and it just reminds me of like if a fairy was blushing. So as I go through the rest of the swatches, I wanted to read the write-up for Amour Tints, February's collection. As Cupid readies his arrows and love fills the air, Madam Glam invites you to embrace the magic of Valentine's Day with a heartfelt collection. 8 soak-off gels: Loyal, Love Struck, Love's Veil, Lilac Lace, Heart Glow, Glaze d'Amour, Dearest, and Berry Blush. It's that time of year when hearts beat a little louder and love finds its way into every corner. Celebrate the month of love with a love letter to nails, featuring enchanting shades that speak the language of affection. Discover Amour Tints, a collection curated with love and passion, designed to adorn your nails with shades that embody the essence of romance and devotion. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula, our new arrivals will guarantee you an easy, smooth application. Whether you opt for the striking vibrancy of pink or the soothing allure of lilac, these creams are a canvas for your self-expression. And when you're feeling extra spirited, sprinkle some magic with our dazzling glitter shades, because who says love can't sparkle? Each gel polish is a blend of passion and perfection, ensuring that your nails radiate elegance and charm with every stroke. Get ready for salon quality results that make your at-home nail session feel like a luxurious treat. Y'all, this collection has blown me away with such darling pinks, berry blushes, and diamond reds. I am feeling love struck. I've definitely been hit in the heart with Cupid with this one. They also let us know pro tips. Whether you're planning a sizzling date night or simply reveling in self-love, these bold shades are here to accompany you every step of the way. Express your uniqueness with glitter French tips, lovely ombres, classic and timeless looks, or go beyond your imagination and create your own works of art. So you already know this channel is all things nail art, so I took out my pudding gels and this darling stamping kit that was sent by my sis Envy. And the next video, we are going to play around and find out the age-old question. Can pudding gels stamp? Well, it might not be age-old, but it is a question I have. So definitely tune in to the next video so we can play around with these delicious and lovely shades. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of Amour Tints, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah! Thank you for watching.